I will talk about how can you disable new messages notifications on your Braille app. We go to figure out the solution or no, how you can do that on your Braille app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just click on notifications, click on it here. Then come to this list, come here to new messages. Then you just click in this sign or this color here. Then like you see color, it's gone. That's menu messages notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.